Hello guys, welcome back to another question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what do we have as our integrand today. So we have to integrate cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. I can see that this question is pretty straightforward, as what we have to do here is simplify the numerator part only. Let us try to simplify. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. And we already have 2 sin square x. Now 2 cos square x plus 2 sin square x will give me 2 into sin square x plus cos square x. Now sin square x plus cos square x is actually equal to 1. So we get 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So our expression simplifies to the whole expression 1 upon cos square x, that is sec square x, and now we know that the integration of sec square x is 10x. So that is how we proceed with the question. So let us see. We have the expression here, and then we replace 2 sin square x by 1 minus cos 2x. We can do this way as well. We can also replace cos 2x by 2 cos square x minus 1. You will get the same answer in both the part. So finally we get 1 upon cos square x. Now 1 upon cos square x, here you will also get dx. So 1 upon cos square x will be written as sec square x dx. Now the integration of sec square x is 10x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So that is it. I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a nice day.